Welcome to Haulier Magic. Here we will explain more about the run-based and mileage-based price lists. Haulier Magic will be able to auto-calculate price between two or multiple locations based on the configuration set up for each client. Price lists can be calculated on orders based on postcodes and location points for collection and delivery points. Apart from this, Haulier Magic can calculate the tariff based on mileage between the collection and delivery points for different amounts of goods or vehicles used. It can also be calculated on a run based on multi-drop and total mileage. With run-based price lists, you will be able to specify extra charges for multiple collection or delivery points on the run. By default, the price list will take the price of the order with the furthest location point from the starting point as its greatest value for the base price. If you would like to take the highest price of an order instead of the furthest as a base price, you can check this box. You can specify rates for each collection or delivery point on the multi-collect or drop rate. This will price every other collection and delivery on the run with the values provided here. If you want to limit or lower the price for location points close to each other, you can add a deviation distance and a deviation rate. If a point is within the specified distance, it will charge a deviation rate. If it's more than the deviation distance, it will charge the multi-collect or drop rate. Here is an example of a run-based price list. This is a group with orders from a common collection point and multiple delivery points. Once saved, using the price list shown previously, it converts the two lesser prices to a multi-drop rate of £54 and keeping the highest price of £532. All the delivery locations are far apart from each other, and hence the deviation rate will not be applied here. If they were as close as 10 miles to each other, the two orders would have a rate of £21. Mileage-based price lists are price lists calculated based on the distance traveled during the job. For a single order between two location points, it will calculate the price using the distance between the collection and delivery points. You can add a fixed rate for a minimum distance, after which you can add on a per mile rate until the next mileage milestone. This is called excluded mileage. Included mileage will be calculated on a per mile basis along with the fixed rate from the start. In this order, you can see that the distance between the collection and delivery points is 147.62 miles. Using the price list shown previously, the fixed rate would be £1,000 for the first 100 miles, after which it is charged £53 per mile after the 100 miles. Hence, the total cost would come up to £3,523.86. You can have different fixed and per mile prices for different minimum distances by adding multiple lines to the table using this button.